Alright, so welcome back to another video. I'm going to be working on this hood here. Sorry it's a little loud, I got the roof on. I got a Nissan Hood behind me. I've already done all the body work previously. Had a lot of rock chips in the front. Had some body damage here too, which I'll show you in a second. Also, had to repair a corner. Little things, but I'm gonna have to cover the whole thing with the paint sealer so I can get them all even one color. You never want to leave it like this when you're trying to do a job. Sometimes that color will show through. So I'm gonna hit it with a sealer over the whole hood so it's all one color, and then I'm gonna do the base coat and then clear coat so you're gonna see the whole process. If you want to know more information, just feel free to ask in the comments, man. I want to go home, so let's get to it. So, as you can see on this hood here, like I said before, the whole front end is done. I had some light body work that was already in there. So I just kind of cleaned it up. I had one there as well. And the other one there on the corner, so here. And all that was just chipped off. Like I said, it's a used hood. But these hoods, because they're aluminum, I guess for whatever reason, I think the car is like a 2019. One of those Nissan SUVs, Rogue, whatever. I don't remember. Anyhow, these paints are really expensive. These hoods are, because they're made of aluminum now. So I'm just gonna get this one painted up. Like I said, it's a used hood. It should still come out pretty clean. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a sealer, cover everything up. As you can see, I still got some spaces that didn't cover completely. So hopefully it'll come out nice. Let's see what happens. All right, so I just got done spraying. I did the sealer, and then I did the base. My LPH 400. See that LPH 400? I use the one with the orange cast. It's supposed to help with atomization. When I say atomization, it's basically how it spreads, like how wide it spreads, how much it lays out on the panel. So hopefully it came out okay. I don't know this. I like this Iwata, but for whatever reason, sometimes with the low PSI and the metallics, it won't lay out right. It'll do blotchy spots, or as we call it, mottling. So I've been playing around with the gun. I actually am waiting for another gun soon, so maybe we'll be able to experiment. I think I got it dialed in. I actually went up higher in pressure. I did 25 PSI on that one. And this is a 1.4 tip, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Pretty sure it's 1.4. Yes, it's a 1.4 tip on this one. Most people use 1.3 when you're doing the clear coats, things like that. I'm doing base coat right now, so 1.4 is perfect for that. So I'm gonna switch to this other Iwata. It's actually a Supernova, which I love this gun. I'm actually gonna use this one for my clear coat today. I'll let the new gun be a surprise to you, but this is my LS400. It's a really nice gun. It's actually really nice gun. Supernova. Love this gun. Knock it out. I actually gotta do some headlights too, so I'm gonna do the headlights and I'm gonna do the hood clear coat at the same time. I like trying to record it. I don't like putting my camera up over the hood though, because I'm worried about dust or something falling off. Maybe I'll just take a quick video of me starting it and then put my phone on and just finish it. You like it, man? Let's see what we got. Alright, y'all. Got the bass on. Looking good. Let's get some clear cut on this. That's the first coat. What's that? More like 1.5. 1.5. Not bad. We'll do one more. Alright, so I think we got it. Base coat, clear coat. Like I said, I used my Supernova 1.3 tip. And got it done. Came pretty good. I personally can see some model. Like I said, that gun, it's alright. For whatever reason, maybe something's going on. Maybe I need to rebuild it, but not nothing that the regular person won't see, you know what I mean? Like, the regular person can't tell. I also did these headlights over here behind me. Another set, another Toyotas. So, headlights are good. Hood is good. And yes, I'm very tall, you can see. I'm almost at the ceiling. Alright, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. I give some more tips. I think I'm going to try to get me another camera. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think I'm going to get a camera that I can put up high. And maybe one that I can put maybe on like on an angle like this angle. Maybe a little bit closer, like that angle. Kind of so I can show you how I'm spraying, my techniques, my overlap. You always want to do about 50% overlap, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. I can also go into PSI, like how much pressure you need, those kind of things. So if you are interested, please leave me a comment in the video. Let me know. Now I gotta get that algorithm up, man. That's all I do. See you on the next video.